Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Just wanted to take a short amount of your time and thank you once again for your views and subscriptions. I think we're at 5.5 million views now and about 47,000 subscriptions. So just wanted to give you a shout out and say thank you very much for your support and following. And on a side note, if you have any topics about that you'd like to address, mixing, live recording, anything that involves sound and music, please send me an email, info@acousticfields.com. That's my personal email. All the other ones are marketing emails. I usually don't see those. So send me your idea, and if it suits our target audience, then we'll add it to our list. But after 520 videos now, I'm kind of running out of ideas. So if you've got any topic that is gnawing at you for some answers, send me to it, info@acousticfields.com. We'll see if we can add it to the list and get it on the channel for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.